This is called an edge finder. It's 200 thousandths right here, and you use it to find the edge of whatever you're working on. Using the last word dial indicator, I'll turn it in, get this needle to go up a little bit, and then run it down the side of the stone, and you see it move a little bit. It means it's not totally square. So just take something and tap it a little bit, run it down again. That's close enough, so tighten it up. Now it didn't move much. See, it stayed on 0. That means that side's perfectly straight up and down. In order to get something dead center, I will measure it. Okay, what I'll do is I'll turn the milling machine on, and that'll make this start spinning. And when I move up to the edge of the stone, when it gets dead on the edge of the stone, this will offset one way or another. Now that we've got that to offset, that means that the center of the chuck is 100 thousandths of an inch off the edge. So I'll move the table over 100 thousandths. And then reset it to 0. And then half the distance that I need to go to be dead center this way is 270 thousandths. So 270, that's dead center this way. Okay, I'm going to find that edge. Okay, found the edge, going to move it in 100 thousandths, thus being centered on the chuck. Set this on 0 again, and then move it in 290 thousandths. And that's it. That should be perfectly dead center on that piece of stone. This is a 4mm core drill. A core drill has a hole in the center of it. And I've got my water system, get the water turned on, turn the machine, speed it up a little bit, turn the machine on. You need to start slowly so your drill centers itself. You can turn that off. Okay, now I'm going to bring the hole out to almost 5mm real quick, and I'm going to end up wanting to have a smooth hole in there, so this is about 4 3/4 millimeters. As you can see, when you have a hole already started, the next size holes go through quite quick. Okay, now I'm going to do the final, or out to 5 millimeters, a little bit larger. I use a 5 millimeter rod to spin on, so here we go. Okay, I gotta make sure this is all the way through. Let me drop it a little bit and then I'll pull it out and show you the hole. I just want to make sure that it's thoroughly all the way through the bottom. Cool, it is. Okay, now loosen the vise. If you can find, there it is. Okay, we have a pretty much perfectly centered on both ends. This blasted out a little bit, but that doesn't matter. I can clean that up when I shape the bead. Anyway, there's how you get a hole in the center of a square.